Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove someone from WhatsApp group. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp groups are usually formed by friends, family, colleagues, where they can discuss on various issues pertaining to the intent and purpose of the group. It sometimes so happens that some people get tired of someone's conversation and talkings on a WhatsApp group that they are managing as an admin. So they might want the person to be removed from the group. In this video, I will show you a very easy hack on how to remove someone from WhatsApp group. It is practically not possible for someone to delete a person from a WhatsApp group without the person not knowing. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can choose the group that you want to remove someone from there. We'll choose this group. Now you can tap on the group info here. You can scroll down and you can see there is 4 members, including me in this group, and I'm as the group admin. And if you want to remove someone from this group, you can just tap and hold on the members that you want to remove. As example, I will choose this one. You can tap and hold until there's a pop-up appear on your screen like this. And there's an option like message, view, make group admin, and remove. Because you want to remove this person from this group, you don't want this person in this group again, you can tap on remove. Now we can tap on OK. Now this person no longer in this group. And you can also remove more than one. I will remove one more. Like this. And if you remove someone from WhatsApp group, they won't get notified that they will get notified that you just remove you from this group like this. So that is how to remove someone from WhatsApp group. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.